Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Google Docs table. So here, hi guys, I'll be teaching you some Google Docs table. So Google Docs table right here. You can start by doing the Google Docs table right here by clicking on right here insert. After clicking on insert right here, you will see the Google Docs table as you see right there. There you go. We can add as many tables we want. Let's say 5 by 5. There you go. We're gonna put it on 5 by 5. Then after that, we can add right here. We can add the words. Let's add guide. I'll say let's put on Monday. Or let's put in yeah, okay, so Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday. Maybe we can put it like that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So right here, as you can see right now, we can change our letters right here into bold. There you go. As you can see, we can bold, make it italic, and also underline on it if we want to, guys. So you can change it right that, as you can see right there, and you can also change its alignments. Put it in the middle like that, so it would look much more um good looking right there. As you can see right there. There you go. Now right here at the table option, we can click on table option right here. We have some quick layouts that we can use if we want, and we have also the table styles that we are allowed, and we have the aligns right here. So you see align the table. There we go. And we have the quick layouts right here. We're gonna put it on the middle of the paper, left, right, anywhere, blah blah blah. there we go. There you go. We're gonna put it on the middle right there. We can also manage it right here by just adjusting it right there. As you see right there, we have the column right here. As you can see, we can date, drop, file, people, and voting chips if we have any. And the rows right here, minimum row, as you can see, we can change the inches. As you can see right there, we can change the inches right there. There you go. And not only that, we can also add the pin headers right there. There you go. As you can see, there you go. Once we had all of that, now we can change it all. There you go. As you can see right there, we have all changed it right there. Cells right here, we can also change it to the middle, or wait, I'm gonna make it big so you guys can see what I mean. There you go. Let's say middle or top, or maybe at the bottom. We're gonna put it over bottom. Let's say whatever of those that we feel, then we can. We don't have to make it all like that, so we can make the this part like in the middle. So we may type something here. As you can see, it's on the middle, right there. There you go. And we have the colors right here. We can change the colors of the border. So the colors of the border, we can make it transparent because it's white. So we can make it invisible. So now we're gonna make it invisible. Let's say choice of white. There you go. One with it. There goes invisible. It's gone. Like magic. Wow, magic. There we go, guys. And we can add some cell background, as you can see right here. For cell background, say blue. There we go. As you can see, it's all now blue. There you go. Sometimes what I like to do is like put it like the first row right here, then make it blue, right? That make it blue. After making it blue, right here, I'm gonna change the lettering color right here into something like yellow, something like that to make it bold. There you go, as you can see right there. So yeah, there you go, guys. So and now you can change also the colors right here. Not only that, here at the columns, you can also add some emojis or stuff by just clicking right here. There you go. You can add some emojis. You can add happy face. There you go. So you see it's happy face. There you go for the reaction of the other. Now, if you're asking how to add an emoji right here, well, table insert right. There you go. Symbols right here. Symbols and emojis. Right now we can add some emojis. So we're gonna smile, 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 smile. Then you just gonna copy it and paste, 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 paste. Paste. There you go. As you can see, that's how you add emojis to a column right there. So yeah, there you go, guys. So if you have any more questions, you can type it in the question below. Or if you have any stuff you want to add, we're gonna put this right here. Yeah, because it's cool. So yeah, and there, if you want to bring back the like the border, like the square thingies on the There we go. Set on the table border. You just click on that. There you go. As you see, you can also change it right here for say 0.5 or maybe 6. There we go. 6 is like so thick. As you can see, right, it's so thick right there. It's like super thick. So yeah, there you go. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you're like doing it like for the like doing like budgeting or stuff, you can just choose the right there, and then if you want to add a they call this like a chart, just choose that, highlight it, and chart it up right there. You can do it if you can do it from sheets, so you can copy this, put it in sheets, and then chart it up from sheets, or you can just do it right there. So yeah, there you go, guys. That's just a quick tip for you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video, because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.